then the next thing to really being able to land a job is getting this hands-on experience. So often people say, oh, you have to get the PhD, but that's not true. I've worked with many clients who have not had a PhD in any of these areas, but had the experience and had the capabilities of doing it, and then worked on projects. And so the boot camp, the mentorship, the internships, all of the links for these services are in the chat right now. But you can also expand and do additional things like hackathons, open source projects, like we were chatting with earlier in the comments, finding a mentor, finding someone that you can collaborate on projects with, so you can, step number 3, build your portfolio out. But you can also do home labs as well. Sometimes you don't have to collaborate with someone. Maybe you create something on your own. And the only way that this hands-on experience and these, going back to these skills, matter is if you show it.